Welcome back to Nothing But Updates. It's time to visit the moon for some days. What reason do I have to visit the moon? Hope China got one. China successfully launches mission to collect moon rocks. The Chinese National Space Agency CNSA has said. The Chang'e 5 lunar orbiter, lander, and sample collector launched off of the Wenchang Spacecraft Launch Center in Wenchang, Hainan Province, in the People's Republic of China, on Monday. Wait. Why should we collect rocks from the moon? Here is the reason. The shape, size, arrangement, and composition of the individual grains and crystals in a rock tell us about its history. Radioactive clocks tell us the age of the rock. Tiny tracks even tell us the radiation history of the Sun during the last 100,000 years. China is not the first country to do this, as it has taken many advices from US and Russia. After the US and Russia, China has become the third nation to collect lunar rock samples in over 40 years. Exactly, the launch happened successfully at 15:30 p.m. EST on Monday. If that mission is successful, the rocket would return to Earth in mid-December with rocks which it's supposed to carry. After SpaceX's Falcon 9 Heavy and United Launch Alliance's Delta IV Heavy, it has become the powerful launcher. After many successful and well-carried-out lunar missions over the past decade, the CNSA's confidence is very high. Some might remember the Chang'e 4 was successful, which landed on the far side of the moon. The launching spot of the Chang'e 5 is set for Mons Rumker, a location on the near side of the moon in a region called Oceanus Procellarum. The reason to choose this particular landing spot is that the rocks are much more younger and hopefully offers scientists a new data point for the way in which they measure events in our solar system. After 23 days in space, it makes its return to Earth, landing in Xizhiwangbanner grassland of Inner Mongolia. We're seeing right now an extraordinary expansion in lunar activity. We've got the US-led Artemis program, to return astronauts to the moon, and the partnerships around that, the Chinese with their very ambitious exploration program, but also many more new actors as well, said Dr. James Carpenter. Another interesting thing to watch out in this is, NASA on Twitter has asked China to share its data with global scientists, pointing their work shared by Apollo and Artemis earlier. Hope you got something to know from us. Thank you. Bonus update. Researchers develop robot that tells farmers when to water crops. The researchers plan to have their first prototypes fabricated by the spring of 2021, and they expect to have a finished model by winter 2022. Fact to know. NASA assessed the value of the rocks at around $50,800 per gram in 1973. $300,000 a gram in today's currency. I wish the one who is watching this could buy me a gram. Cheers.